Hey guys, so this might be a bit of a surprise to you, but I decided to make a video of the actual commentary. I feel like the videos I've done in the past, specifically the videos about the preview build and the stuff I find in it, I feel like it is time to try and actually explain what is happening on the screen. It, it is probably going to be more interesting that way, I think. So I decided to go ahead and try and see how I do this kind of format. Right, so as you can see, we went to Apotos Act 3. So what I'm actually going to do is enter debug mode, there we go, and restart the stage. So let's try going here, right? Yeah, so this specific stage, and there are a couple of others, feature a lot of straight up incomplete sections of how the stage looked like in itself a stage, basically. And Apotos Act 3 basically includes its earliest variant of level design. You can sort of figure out how the stage was set before. So this little fella, this spring, is the earliest object I was able to find, and it's also the closest one to the actual stage. It was very easy to find. So let's see what actually happens if we interact with it. So obviously the spring sends us to unimaginable rail, let's just call it that, yes. And this was probably a 3D section at the time, considering there are two rail boosters located basically in parallel to each other. Right, and next, I think, if I recall correctly, the stage goes like here. Yeah, here's the next spring, which sends you over to here. Yet another imaginary rail. And then it goes on like this. Yeah, here. Here's the next rail booster, and then the stage makes a turn to here. So this is very interesting. This is the first big beta section, which has a lot of objects. So based on my explorations and well, I think this was yet another 3D section, and judging from what we see here, we can see that the level design was vastly different. Like, there are multiple 3D pathways. You can sort of imagine them, considering how the boosters are located and which way they are angled. We're all looking in different angles. Oh, and yeah, here's another one. Right, so after this enormous set of objects, the stage goes into yet another 3D section, which is located here. Yes, so I'm going to explain later why this is a 3D section. This is one of the pathways you can take if you choose either of the free rails from that section over there. So this is the most right one that will take you here. Oops. God damn it. Okay, let's just speed up way over here. There it is. Yep. So pretty self-explanatory, nothing special, just another section. Right, so back to what I was saying about this entire section. It was supposed to be 3D, right? So that the place where we just were, that was a secondary path, and here's the main path. Here. This is where the 3D section ends. Basically, the rail would lead you to this spring, right? And then the tasty stuff, look at this. Like, hello? Sega, why is this here? But yeah, this looks like 2D section. Yeah, so we can interact with objects. I guess. Come on. Well, the point is... Oh, come on. There, thank you. So yeah, this was a 2D section, which would then lead you to this spring, right? Which would send you over here. So this was yet another set of rails which are were angled very weirdly, like leading you downwards for some reason, and this one leads upwards. And this is pretty much where the set of objects ends, outside of this thing. Here, wait. There, yeah, this. So this is like the last piece of objects this stage has, out of bounds. Like, there's actually a lot of them. Like, basically an entire early level design for the stages here. It was super interesting to explore. Like, I dig this stuff so much. But yeah, this is where the stage would have ended in its early stages. And let's just end it. Let's just end this video like this. But by the way, I wanted to mention that this is the first time I'm doing this kind of thing. Tell me if I should continue actually commentating the videos I make. And I also have to say that there probably wouldn't be any kind of speedruns if there are any people expecting them, since I'm using an emulator to play this preview build, and my actual console, well, I can't use it because the controller is broken. So yeah, can't play the game properly. Unfortunate as it is, but still, I hope you enjoy what I try to make every now and then. Right, so that's all I wanted to say. See you next time.